Hello, my name is Alberto Marquez. I am the designer and the instructor of this course. I am in Lamar University. The name of the course is 2020 Summer INEN 2373, Engineering Economics. I am in the test homework 01 Cash Flow Basics, and I need to edit one of the questions, or I notice that if I need to edit one of the questions, I cannot do it. Essentially, this is the name of the question, or the question title. I need to insert a percentage sign as part of the text, not part of the formulas. So if I do that, in order for it to save, it's asking me to update recompute the whole thing. So if I do that, it's giving me an error message that there is a question error. There's an error in the question. One or more variables may be invalid. After trying several options and typing the formula several times, I noticed that the only way to override this situation was to reduce the number of characters to less than 3, because some of my parameters are 3 characters long. So what I'm going to demonstrate now is that if I reduce that, I have yet another problem. So I'm reducing the number of characters in the sequence, in the formula. Since E is not allowed, I'm using F, and here I'm just using A, B, C capital, and N, and D, F, and G, and yet another parameter R. Okay, so I change everything, and I fix the formula now to match those parameters. Previously it was working. It had the right computation. It's just that I wanted to make that percentage sign to be absolutely clear with it for the students. And then I have not been able to fix it. I noticed that when the variable is recognized, it changed the color a little bit. It's a little bit purple or blue. So it is compiling as we speak, and it's recognizing the letters. And if I go here and use F, and that's what I have. And notice that if I use CF3 as I had before, F and 3 is not recognized. And if I use letter double N, it is still in purple color. So something is in the background there that is not being updated, and is recognizing both what was previously typed, as long as it was less than 3 characters, and this one. So anyways, now the text matches the formula with 1 character at a time for the parameters. And if I try again, I don't have the error. So now I can randomize these variables, and that's what I'm going to do in an attempt to fix this problem. And it should be 20 10, 11, 15, 2, 8. All right. So looks like it's prepared, right? And now I am going to randomize generating 100 questions like this, and I have an error. There is an error in the formula of the input values, and now I have at the top of the columns the previous names for those variables. Now I would be happy to keep them, but I cannot do the previous step without changing them. So essentially I have no solution for this. There is definitely a bug in here that is limiting what I can do to fix my set of problems. I do not want to type my problems again from scratch. I have 10 quizzes, and I need to review them and make sure that everything is fine. And I don't want to have to type those formulas again. That one that you saw is one of the easiest ones. So I really need your help. I appreciate it.